Ross Attorney. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you'd like to learn more. Law Offices of Cross and Associates. This is an interesting question that we received on our channel today. Let's see. How can I find out if I'm going to be accused formally? I took some things from a store, but security made me give everything back. Well, first of all, let's talk about the offense in question. There are two potential offenses that I have here in mind. One of them is a potential petty theft. The other one is grand theft. Petty theft is a violation of Penal Code Section 484 here in the state of California. That is a misdemeanor that carries up to 6 months in the county jail. Almost nobody receives that, but that's the max if it goes to trial. Now, that is a charge that you will receive if the item or items that you took have a value of less than $950. However, if the item or items you took are of $950 or more, then we're talking about a felony. This would be a felony violation of Penal Code Section 487, grand theft, which carries up to 3 years in state prison. Now, the value of the items is ultimately what is going to determine the potential statute of limitations. If it's a misdemeanor, petty theft, there is a statute of limitations of 1 year. If it is a felony, grand theft, there is a statute of limitations of 3 years. Now, if you did not receive a court date, that doesn't mean you're not going to receive a court date. If it was for less than $950 worth of stuff, you should be checking with the court roughly once every month to see if something has been filed against you. And if nothing has been filed against you within a year from the date of the incident, well, then the statute of limitations at that point should have run out and they cannot file against you. Same thing with the $950 or more. 3 years, you're going to have to check for 3 years with the court. Give full name, date of birth. You got to check the status for up to 3 years, once a month roughly. And if after 3 years they haven't filed anything, once again, the statute of limitations would have run and they would not be able to file against you. So you need to check with the courthouse in the county where this took place, not where you live. People tend to have this idea they're going to check where they live. No. You have to check the criminal department in the county where this took place. And if it's for a misdemeanor, check for a year. If it's for a felony, check for 3 years. And if after those time periods, if nothing has happened, well, the statute of limitations would have run out and we're essentially finished there. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime, be sure to give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677.